everybody, Janice with Jakeway Realtors, and you're gonna love my new listing at 508 Daniel Street in Kalamazoo, Michigan. We're located in Comstock Township, which is on the east side of Kalamazoo, and we're centrally located to downtown Kalamazoo, Richland, Gull Lake, Augusta, and Galesburg. This home is bigger than it looks. It has over 1,900 square feet of finished living space. There's 3 bedrooms, 1.5 baths, a 1-car attached garage, and there's almost an acre of land in a gorgeous subdivision. That's just the beginning. Inside, there's gorgeous floors, there's an open concept as well as an open kitchen, and you'll notice that there's 2 sliding glass doors that go out onto the deck from each bedroom. And there's a lot to see, so let's go inside and take a look. Thank you for joining me on my tour of 508 Daniel Street in Kalamazoo, Michigan. If you'd like to arrange for a private tour, have any questions about this home, or would like information on the Kalamazoo housing market, please feel free to reach out to me at 269-303-3577 or visit my website at michiganhomegirl.com. I'm Janice with Jakeway Realtors. Bye for now.